Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. It's a wonderful skein of fresh snow falling. Perhaps you can't see it, but it's just absolutely delightful. Still sunlight, smoke from the fireplace, standing by the bamboo, watching the snow show me where the ice is afloat on the pond. Anyway, today's Tàijíquán Tip is to reconnect to something magical and carry that magic through your practice, or carry the influence of that magic through your practice, or carry your attention to and inspiration from that magic through your practice, such as I find blissfully easy to do in snow such as this. Thank you very much. And boy, what a magical art we get to do and play in and love and live.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.